Russ, I'm a criteria, it's a Ghanaian born, UK based recording and performing artist, and my music is more kind of reggae, Afro dancehall, and trap music, high life, and a bit of Afrobeat.
Me tell them we come from afar. No bad man can copy style. Man, have to kill it, kill them all. If you kill it, I man me come for the throne. No bad man can take me ground. Man, have to kill it, kill them all. If you kill it, smash. Them have to watch out with them stinking feet. I would them have to move with them dirty cause them man already.
To be successful in this music journey, you have to be gifted, It has to be your purpose as you go live it as upcoming artists with the struggles and all that, not like getting the right channels to elevate your career and that. So it's kind of struggle journey, you get me?
Tell her we not joking. I tell we not playing. You go higher, you play harder, you go higher. As someone great here. I breathe them a breather. Movie.
Unpluggvoices has been amazing for upcoming artists like myself, It's always been it's always been a pleasure,